Hi friends, welcome to part 2 of our video on direction sense by btechguru.com. In the first video, we saw what the basic directions are and how we can use pen and paper to plot the clues given to us and very easily arrive at the answer. In this part 2 of this video, I am going to take up another 2 easy examples with you. Okay, because direction sense problems are very easy as long as you are able to identify left from right and north, south, east and west. Okay, that is all that you need. These are the only 2 skills that you need to solve these problems. So just take a look at your screen, friends. It says Ubud is 100 kilometers to the north of Seminyak. Okay, I can keep plotting as I read. So this is Seminyak. I move north from Seminyak and I have Ubud. 100 kilometers north of Seminyak, I have Ubud. And Kuta is 90 kilometers to the east of Seminyak. So I'll go east from Seminyak 90 kilometers and I get Kuta. Denpasar is 60 kilometers to the west of Ubud. So Denpasar is 60 kilometers to the west of Ubud. I have Denpasar 60 kilometers west of Ubud. If Lotto starts from Kuta and goes to Denpasar, in which direction is he from his starting point? So here his starting point is Kuta. He wants to go to Denpasar. So he is traveling in this direction. Now according to my compass, north, south, east and west. If he starts from Kuta and goes to Denpasar, he is traveling in this direction. So he is going northwest. Okay, so as simple as that. So I will go ahead and I'll select option D as my answer choice. Let's take a look at one more example, friends. Again, I'll keep plotting as I read the question. It's faster. Anjali goes for her morning walk at 5 o'clock towards the sun for 4 kilometers. Now again, some indirect clues may also be given to you. At 5 o'clock towards the sun means she is walking towards the east direction, because the sun rises in the east. Okay, so Anjali starts from here and walks towards the sun for 4 kilometers, or she goes east. Then she turns to her left. So when a person is walking towards the east, okay, you are walking this side, this will be your left and this will be your right. Okay, imagine you are walking towards the east facing this side. So your left hand will be on the top and right will be at the bottom, imagining that you are walking in this direction. So she takes a turn towards her left and walks 6 kilometers. So then Anjali turns left and walks 6 kilometers. Okay. Next clue says she again turns to her right and walks 4 kilometers. When I am walking north, facing the north, this will be my left and this will be my right. Now Anjali takes a turn to her right and walks another 4 kilometers. She walks another 4 kilometers and finally she turns to her right to walk another 12 kilometers. So when she is again walking towards the east, left and right. So finally she again takes a turn towards her right and walks 12 kilometers. Okay, so she comes here and she walks for 12 kilometers. Okay, so Anjali has gone for a long walk. Now in which direction is she moving and at what distance from her starting point is she standing? So what can I see from here? This is Anjali's starting point. Okay, she has moved 6 kilometers up and 12 kilometers down. Okay, so she has crossed this juncture at 6 kilometers and further she has moved down. Okay, further she has moved 6 kilometers down. So now what does she have to do, or rather at what distance from her starting point is Anjali standing? Okay, so Anjali will be standing 4 kilometers. Anjali is standing below her starting point. Now if I plot the compass, I have north, south, east and west. Okay, so from a starting point, Anjali is in this direction. This direction is southeast. Okay, this direction is pointing towards the southeast. So she is in the southeast direction. Southeast direction. And how far is Anjali? So I say that this is 4 kilometers plus 4 kilometers. So totally 8 kilometers. And from this line, she is 6 kilometers further down. Okay. So I can treat this like a right angle triangle. Treat this like a right angle triangle. And I'll use Pythagoras theorem to find out the distance between her ending point and her starting point. Okay. So I can say that Anjali is using Pythagoras theorem. I know that hypotenuse square equals perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. So which is going to be 8 square plus 6 square, that will be 64 plus 36, which gives me 100. So this implies that hypotenuse will be root of 100 or 10 kilometers. So Anjali is standing 10 kilometers southeast of a starting point, and that will be my answer. So I'll go ahead and I'll select option B from my answer choices. Okay. So in this manner, friends, we can solve questions on direction sense, and I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll see you again in another video.